that's why I didn't want to fool with it.
Pliers. Gauges, GPS, rear view mirror. There's your audio.
Behind the doors, it's a wild ride. You can make or break.